Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video on utility coins. This time we're back with our Group 1 discussions of WTK, XTC ecosystem, and Algorand. Guys, if you're interested in these and other coins, make sure to subscribe the channel because we discuss all these coins regularly as well as other potential gems as well. So, folks, without further ado, let us check out what Wadzpay has been up to in real time. Let us first and foremost look at the official Wadzpay X handle. Let us check out what new they have posted after their clarification of tokenomics, which we discussed in our last WTK video. You guys can check that out in the channel as well. After that, they've posted this Diwali post, a happy Diwali, November 11th. Family wishes all of you a happy Diwali and joyful weekend. Best wishes from our team from Noida office, guys. So this is their team from Noida office. Yeah, let us check out what the comments are. Happy Diwali, lovely India. Team X cleared. Happy Diwali. LOL. Happy Diwali. Would be awesome to chat. What's pay? Oh, cool. So Uh, you might remember that we talked about the recent AMA as well as the clarification of tokenomics that Whatspay did. So this is that post. We've already covered this in another Whatspay video. You guys can check that out. So let's check out what the Whatspay community is saying at the time of the recording, guys. Let us check it out. What basically is the what space like, because it was a turbulent times few days ago, but I think things have stabilized down because let us check out the price as well, guys, because the price has stabilized as well. You guys can see it has, I think it's found its support at 0.034, 0.035, but yeah, it's I think it's in a range. Let us check this out. Yeah, 7 days ago, 1 month ago. It's been consolidating over here and it is in a price discovery mode, in my opinion. So, what do you guys think? Would this stabilize around here and go up, or would it come down and test these areas again? Hit the comment box to tell us your opinions, because I think stuff has stabilized after tokenomics clarified. Anyways, let us look at the space. This is WTK me, guys. He always posts informative posts regarding WTK, guys. One of the handles you should follow, the X handles you should follow, guys. If you're interested in Whatspay, Mastercard collaborates with Dubai Islamic Bank. Right before Whatspay chain goes live, Dubai Islamic Bank, already part of Trade Connect UAE. It's all coming. It's all coming. Dubai Islamic Bank joins Etisalat, Digital's blockchain platform, UAE Trade Connect. Mastercard collaborates with Dubai Islamic Bank to introduce cross-border payment service. I really like what WTKME is doing, because he stands away from all the noise and he just tries and does his research and posts knowledgeable stuff, guys. So yeah, this is another post. What's about to launch WPC before end of year. First competitor of WTK is 33x bigger. So check this out. So in the very least, this means that Whatspay is going to do a 33x. Chiliz, and check this out. The one that every payment company is following, XRP. WTK, a very important candle, 15 hours ago. Anish tweets, Fawn Puggle, I recorded a short video to show where the confusion is coming from. We already discussed this post from Autobron the uh, in our last tokenomics video. He tried his best to tag Anish and make him clarify the tokenomics, guys. Let us look at the latest posts in real time. So Yeah, this is. If you doubt WTK, you must doubt Nasdaq McCoy and his judgment. Would he continue to openly support a project that isn't genuine? He will know a lot more than any of us, I'm sure. So let us check out. Bob, I think Bob McQuee has liked these posts, guys. WTK will soon exceed the 0.05 mark before the AMA. Don't sleep on this monster. Basically, these are the likes of Bob McQuee. So if you do not know about him, he's a key member of Nasdaq. During an upward market trend, dips are for buying. You know what that means. Soon, when we are at dollar 0.1 plus, you will look back and regret not buying WTK at these levels. Any WTK fam that's looking to diversify into another low market cap gem should do well to look no further than Shido. Okay, so I haven't. This is the first I'm hearing about Shido, to be honest with you guys. Another 50k account recommending WTK. Keep building, keep rocking. WTK is so undervalued. Soon it will be in the first 100 range. No one really noticed it. Are your bags fully packed and are you satisfied with your holdings heading into the 2024 bull run? Which coin are you backing for the biggest return on investment? WTK and QNT, in my opinion, will deliver me my biggest wins. So yeah, QNT, Tau, BTC Link, WTK A0. We discuss Link, WTK, A0, Tau, and QNT all in the channel. If you're interested, do subscribe while you're at it. Anyways, so yeah, this is sort of a diagram to show us that it is bullish, it is going to be having its leg up. With today's price, buying $2,000 of WTK gets you 57,000 WTK tokens. Now, if it hits $2, you would need to buy 1,14,000 or 114,000 for that same amount of WTK tokens. That's how early we are. Think about it. We saw this video as well in our last video. It was a well-made video. We are getting close to Dubai. This is Burj Khalifa. So incredibly undervalued. Get ready for the imminent X shot. So yeah. So I think that this WTK perfectly placed. UAE payments revenue pool projected to hit $19.8 billion by 2027. Now imagine the other markets WTK will be in globally and the revenues that will be generated as we move towards blockchain-based payments via digital currencies. I told you WTK me posts some informative stuff. This is the first reminder that every project needs and will do some pullback on the way up. We need to have patency and see the overall picture. Don't chase green candles and hop from one project to another. Yeah, many people lose money this way. They hop from one project to another and end up losing their profits as well. So there are others that do this well, who rotate this well. So don't question this approach as well. There are others who do rotate and uh, from one good project to another, which is undervalued, and keep on rotating and building their portfolio. So there are various strategies, but don't be from those that hop from one project to another, buying at the top, guys. So yeah, don't be one of those. Anyways, guys, I think things have a bit stabilized for Wadzpay, and I think everything is chill at the moment in the space. You guys can see because a few days ago, I think the energy of the Wadzpay community has, I think, gone at the moment. They're chilled out. So yeah, things have stabilized. Let's see where the chart goes from here on out. Let hit the comment box below to tell us where you think the momentum is going to be, downwards or upwards in the coming days. Anyways, guys, let us hop on to our other coin of this group, which is XDC Network. Let us check out what XDC has been up to at the time of the recording, guys. XDC Foundation, an organization dedicated to supporting the XDC network and enterprise grade layer 1 blockchain uniquely suited to the task of liquefying trade finance. This is November 12th. In the evolving landscape of TradeFi, the tokenization of RWAs is gaining significant traction. Guys, Singapore and Hong Kong and other these of these financial hubs are now doing pilots on tokenization. So let me remind you this. CoinDesk's highlights on US Treasuries spearheading this movement echoes our recent discussion on the intersection of blockchain technology and traditional finance. RWAs are an object lesson in the genius and power of the blockchain. In crossing both legal and technological frontiers, they have the potential to invigorate TradeFi and provide highly attractive new investment opportunities. Sarah Green, Law Commissioner of England and Wales, explore more about how these developments are helping to reshape traditional finance. You guys can check this article out at xdc.org articles. You guys can check out the details if you want interested to read this. In a podcast with Genfinity IO, XDC network developer Coin Club Quincy talks tokenization in trade finance and more. Listen to the full episode. This is podcast.genfinity.io. Let us hear this
This
out.
is sort of
Yeah.
tokenization allows for, and I think this is sort of the where you get a lot of the hesitancy from, especially when you talk about real world tokenization. I think tokenization allows for this new means of exchange over the internet, where before you would need these like independent third parties to facilitate these trades, whether it's something as like a broker like Robinhood or an exchange or whatever type of body that would conduct these services. Tokenization can now allow people to manage these assets and automate these services. So I think the fear is sort of, and I think that fear is also like not just with institutions or investors. I think it's just with everything with new technology. It's okay, now the technology's here. What do I do with it? And is this the right move? Of all the things I could possibly do with this, is this the right move? And then, going to be second, presuming whoever made the right move made the right one, then yeah, totally, let's be second place and, totally run with this thing until the wheels fly off. But I think the biggest thing with tokenization as a whole is I think you'll see different bottlenecks, and this doesn't have to be in trade. It could be different bottlenecks in how people exchange value be relieved and see an expansion in economic growth globally. But I think you'll see this expansion in pockets that adopt this tokenization.
So, guys, tokenization is gaining steam, to be honest. Yeah, I think he's right because tokenization is going to give this birth to this whole new sector where economic growth can happen and people can benefit from it, institutions can benefit from it, individuals can benefit from it. I think it's good for the economy as a whole because the economy throughout the globe has suffered a lot from inflation and all of that sort of stuff. So I think it's good, guys. I think this is the next level that we need to go in the financial stuff aspects of things. LDPEL, LDPEL is celebrating the release of Titan 2.0 with a giveaway for XDC network community. Check out the details below if you're interested in participating. This is November 8th. Mark your calendars. The XDC Network Testnet Epithem is scheduled for XDC 2.0 upgrade at block 568288700 on November 13, 2023. So this is a good update, guys. XDC 2.0 upgrade, guys. Epithem node operators are advised to prepare for the update by running the command git pull nn dot slash docker dash up dot sh. See the countdown. You guys can see the countdown. Want to learn more about the XDC 2.0 upgrade? Gain insights from Dr. Fisher Yu, head of the protocol team, in episode 5 of the XDC the stream, guys. If you're interested in learning more about XDC 2.0, or we can check this out. We can look into this. If you want to dive deeper, then go into details. Introducing XDPOS 2.0, the future of decentralized consensus on the XDC network. This next generation engine, built on the cutting edge BFT consensus protocol, promises military grade security and blazing performance while being ultra resource efficient. Plus, it's fully backward compatible with existing APIs. Gas fees are a crucial element of blockchain operations, impacting transactions and network functionality. Gas fees will be adjusted with the latest Epithem upgrade of XDC 2.0. We aim to optimize fees for users and developers, taking the network's performance to new heights. So this is Epithem node owners take action, calling all node owners running nodes on the Epithem network. It's time to upgrade. use the command git pull and then /docker up sh to ensure your node is aligned with the latest improvements. Your swift action is pivotal in our journey towards a more efficient, sustainable, and user-centric network. Have questions or feedback, share on our developers forum at xdc.dev. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask any questions in xdc.developer.dev. So, guys, this was the update on and discussion on XDC network. Now, let us look at a coin that is built on XDC, Gbex. Guys, Gbex, I think, is primed for a move at the moment. It might be, I think, primed for a move. Let us check this out. So this is 1 month chart. Yeah, it has basically broken this resistance over here, and it is coming down to test this support area over here. If it does, it might move up, guys. It might move towards the 0.70848 range, guys, and try to break this resistance out. There are two other obstacles in the way, but I think it might do break them because Gbex hasn't had a move like the ones we've seen in the market. Yeah, it has gone from in the last month it has gone from 0.7053, so we can call this a move basically. But I think Gbex can do more, to be very honest. So yeah, this is Gbex, guys. Let us look at what Xswap has been up to. Let us check it out. Xswap protocol, what Xswap has been up to, 0.00005384 at the time of the recording, 0.00054 basically, guys. Let us look at the 1 month chart. It has gone from 0004 approximately all the way to 000682, and then it has come down. But what I do not like at the moment, okay, so the volume is picking up, I think 52,000, 53,000 at the moment. But I think the volume should be Xswap should do more volume, because in comparison to Gbex, it is not doing as good as Gbex, but in time when XDC network gets adopted, guys, I think it's going to be doing well with the volume as well as the price. It has only a 3.67 million market cap at the moment, guys. So since the highs of the year, guys, it is back to this range, and it might be a good position to buy, but not financial advice, obviously, guys. So yeah, so, guys, let us now move on ahead with our last coin that we analyze in the group one. That is Algorand, guys. Let us check out what Algorand has been up to. Algorand. So yeah, Algorand Foundations. Algorand is a pure proof of stake layer 1 blockchain protocol built for real world impact. It is integrated with ISO 20022 standards, guys. The new financial standard that the financial institutions would require. But this does not mean every ISO 20022 compliant coin is going to find success. You have to be good. ISO 20022 is going to give you that extra advantage if you're already good. If you're not good, being ISO 20022 compliant won't do you no good. But these coins, Algorand, IOTA, XRP, XDC, these are good coins, guys. And I think they're going to be doing well in the coming years. The Algorand Q3 2023 Masari crypto report just dropped. Highlights: added 1.1 million new addresses. Total daily average transactions increased by 2% QOQ. The NFT rewards program increased NFT related transactions by 321% QOQ. Let us just skim through the report. Let us check it out, guys. Okay, we enjoyed meeting the Algorand community and blockchain enthusiasts at our booth. Cheers to day one, and we hope everyone is enjoying day two of LabitConf as it wraps up. Day one of the Algorand Hacker House at LabitConf is done. Tomorrow will be an exciting day full of pitches, including the final pitch competition on the main stage. Predestined, or head of product marketing, representing Algorand at LabitConf. He shares the stage with Anthony Marber, Tim Paymans, and Solange Gueros as they discuss how to pick the right blockchain. I'm sorry if I pronounced any of them wrong, guys. Anyways, let us look at the Algorand Q3 2023 brief. I do not like cookies. I really do not like it. I get anxious when I see them. Key insights: Algorand's NFT reward program saw success as NFT related transactions increased 321% QoQ. Algorand added 1.1 million new addresses and saw total daily average in transactions increase by 2%. USD overtook USDT in Q3, accounting for 76% of the stablecoin market cap. Guys, USDC is the one to look out for. I think if someone needs to store a good chunk of their coins, basically, if they want or are looking for a good stable coin, I mean, they should look for USDC instead of USDT, in my opinion. Although guys can do your own due diligence, guys. Although Algorand's total stablecoin market cap fell 58%, the Algorand Foundation kicked off the XGOV program in Q3, approving 7 grant applications for a total funding of 60,000 Algo. AlgoFi, Algorand's largest DeFi protocol by TVL, total value locked. This is TVL means total value locked, began winding down operations in July. As a result, Folk Finance became the dominant DeFi protocol on Algorand. Primer on Algorand. Algorand is a smart contract platform employing a variant. If you're interested in learning about Algorand, the basics, you guys, this is good. We've got another video on Algorand and what it is doing in detail. These are the key metrics. Algorand key metrics overview. Circulating supply, average daily transaction count, guys, Q3 2023. Check this out. 713K average daily transaction count. Circulating market cap 0.79 billion. Total new addresses 1.1 million. So 169.2 million daily average daily algo TXN volume. Algo. Let us look at the DeFi ecosystem. DeFi, I think the DeFi hasn't done that well, guys. Check this out. The TVL has fallen 164.1 million in Q3 2022, now to $55.7 million. Stablecoin market cap 335.5 million, now $92.3 million. Average daily NFT SEC NFT SEC sales volume. If anyone knows what SEC dot means, let me know, because I really do not know this, to be very honest. $4.23 million Q3 2022, Q3 2023 $0.45 million, guys. So yeah, we learn from each other, you know. This is this channel, when I started, I really started because I really wanted to teach, and more than teaching, learn, because you there are a lot of things in the crypto space that one can learn. That is never enough, you know. So this is a constant learning space, guys, and I'm sure there are a lot of viewers that are extremely knowledgeable, and I'm going to be learning throughout my journey in YouTube from them, to be very honest, because I've got really good comments. I've learned a lot. Algorand's daily revenue in Algo grew 25% QoQ but fell 23% in USD terms. Algorand's market cap and daily revenue. So addresses and transactions. Staking Algo for governance is different from most of the chains. First, users must commit a certain amount to governance. If their Algo balance falls below their commitment, then their entire stake is considered unstaked or uncommitted, guys. So it is much different than other coins. Be careful when you stake and do know what you're doing. Algorand's DeFi TVL declined by 9.48%. Yeah, we already read this. So these are the ecosystem highlights. Algorand partnered with Ripio, a digital asset platform in Argentina, facilitating USDC transfers. Folks Finance, Algorand's leading DeFi protocol by TVL, joined the Chainlink's Build program. Folks Finance launched an in-app DEX aggregator called Folks Router with access to over 200 liquidity pools. Gora Network launched an Algorand-focused decentralized Oracle network. Parawallet, the dominant wallet on Algorand, released an updated version for Android and added a series of system updates. Lofty.ai added a new feature for users to list a portion of their tokenized real estate, enabling investors to co-own property. Now, this one is huge, guys, because Uh, Tokenizing real estate is not an easy task. I've mentioned this in my other tokenization videos as well, because this is one of the most illiquid assets. It calls for a lot of regulatory compliance, guys. So this is huge in my opinion. Uh, Agro token partnered with Banco Galicia and tokenized over 200,000 tons of grain since launching. Cool. Tokenizing grains, huh? Who would have thought? We've come a long way, humanity. TravelX issued NFT plane tickets to over 1 million passengers. AlgoFi, formerly Algorand's largest DeFi protocol that accounted for 83% of DeFi TVL total value locked at its peak, announced in January that in July that it would completely shut down by the end of the year. So this is sad news, guys. The largest DeFi protocol, AlgoFi, has would completely shut down by the end of the year, guys, which accounted for 83% of DeFi TVL. So this is sad. These are the closing summary. Algorand is run an efficient smart contract platform without downtime since 2019. Recent upgrades have given it high throughput capabilities of over 10,000 TPS, lowered the block time to 3.3 seconds, and added quantum resistant technology, all with instant finality. Despite losing AlgoFi and experiencing continued decline in the Algo market cap, the stablecoin market cap, and governance participation, Algorand continued to add developments and remain focused on growing its ecosystem. So I hope this bears fruit in the future. Its efforts from the NFT rewards program proved successful, driving the 321% growth in NFT-related transactions and a 2% growth in overall transactions on Algorand in Q3. With Algorand's renewed focus on developer experience, and developer relations, only the future will relieve how effective these efforts prove to be in continuing to attract builders, guys. So, what do you guys think about this update on Algorand, guys? Do you guys think that Algorand is in the right path, but or is it not, because it lost its uh, DeFi platform, which accounted for 83% of TVL, and it is continuously declining in terms of market cap, in terms of stablecoin market cap, and governance participation. Or do you think that what they're doing with their ecosystem, would they grow in the future, and how well are they going to be doing in the future? What do you guys think? So hit the comments box below and let me know about the Algorand update. Are they going towards are they going to the good path, or they're in the decline, guys? So let me know. Let us know. Let us all know. The crypto growth fam know. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, make sure to subscribe for regular videos. And do hit the notification icon for notifications and reminders, obviously. And like I always say at the end of the video, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.